morning, everyone, once again. So this evening, I would like to share the memories of Kuya Jay Yapis, known as I call Kuya Agam. He was the kind of person that you can see a simple guy, just like ours. But when I know him more, I say to myself, wow, he's different. Kuya Jay was a positive thinker, loving, jolly person. That whenever I'm always with him, I always love him. These three things that I miss him so much. Behind his simplicity, I'm so blessed and thankful to God that I have a friend like him. Brethren, brothers and sisters, we lost our friends. We lost our brothers. But we should not worry because death is only a sleep. So cemeteries, dormitories, and houses are just the same. In fact, Christian practice dying every day by sleeping. So Kuya Jay is sleeping now, but when Jesus comes in the resurrection day, he will rise from his throne.
Amen. Amen.